Hi everyone, today we have daily stretching routines that you can do at home before any dance class, but you can also use them to stretch right at the end of your dance lessons. We're going to begin standing. Open your legs to the same length of your hips or a little bit bigger than that. And we are going to begin by moving head side to side. Right, left, right, left. Take your time. We're going to do one more time. Right, left, and next recover center. We are going to look to the right and look to the left. Look to the right, look to the left. Repeat 2 more times. Right, left, center, and drop your chin down to your chest, and we're going to do half circle. That's it, just forward. Relax your neck. Let your nose to guide the movement. 2 more. Right, left, 1 more. Right, left. Recover center, drop your head back and repeat the same. Just half circle. Right, left, right, left. 2 more. Right, left, and right, left. Recover center. We are going to do circle movements of shoulders back. Up, back, up, back. We are going to do 2 more. Nice and big. And now we change forward. Perfect. Don't worry on arching anything. Arch and curve your entire body. 2 more. Up and drop down. Back, up and down. Awesome. Now we are going to hold hands in front of us and we are going to stretch and contract your abs. Drop your chin to the chest. And release by putting hands on the hips. And arch your back and tilt your pelvis back. And repeat again. Breathe in. And out. 2 more. Out. Last time. And out. Awesome. You're going to get your fingers together behind your back. Stretch your elbows. Stretch everything. And almost start pulling back. Just a little bit. And recover. 1 more time. And recover last time. Pull down, 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 down. And now we're going to drop lower chest to the floor and let your hands, the weight of your hands to go all the way forward. Relax your neck. Release your hands down. Recover up and repeat the movements 1 more time. Fingers together. Lower chest forward and down. Let your hands go above your head. And release. 1 last time. Together. Breathe in and out. Release hands to the ground. Recover up. And let's do second position. This time toes are going to be pointing out. We're going to do grand plie and up with circular movements of your arms. It could be inwards or it could be outwards. You can do anything you want here. This is not a technical grand plie. It's just movements to relax your hips, flexors, just that. 2 more. Last one. And now we're going to drop hands to the floor. Relax and just hold that position for a few seconds. Relax your neck. And we are going to move towards the right leg. That's it. Right hand up in there. And you're gonna look towards. Now feel the twist on your back. Release down Last stretch, feel your hamstrings. Recover center. Don't forget to relax your neck. Breathe in and out, and repeat everything to the left leg. Towards your left leg. Left hand in the air. Look towards your fingers in the air. Feel the twist. Oof, nice stretch. Can you feel it? Where do you feel in this stretch? I feel on my hamstring right now. Free and lower hands down, back to the center. Recover up. Second position, and just hold that second position there. If you want to increase the stretch, just drop your left shoulder forward, twist towards the right side, and change to the left. One more time. And left. And now we're going to do lunge. I have my left leg in front, right leg on the back, two hands on the floor, and my left hand is going inside the left leg. Hold that position there. If this is too hard for you, you can drop knee down, tuck your toes in, and just chest up. You have two options here, okay? Drop your knee down. Now we are going to open left hand in the air. Twist, breathe, tuck your hips down to the floor. Lower hands down, and now we are going to stretch our front leg. Try to keep your leg between both hands. You can leave your toes there, you can just flex toes back and lower chest as close as possible to your knee. One more time, breathe, chest up, and breathe out and lower, lower, lower. Recover up, flex your knee, and we're going to repeat again the same lunge position. Left hand inside, left leg outside. You can lift your knee, or you can keep it lower, but if you lower your knee, make sure to keep your chest really up and proud. If not, it's okay. Find your favorite pose, the one you feel more comfortable, and just hold it. Don't forget to breathe in and out. Drop knee down, open your left hand to the air, twist. Remember to lower hips down to the floor. Lower hand down, stretch front knee, keep the feet in between both arms. You can flex and lower chest down. Awesome. Now recover up to a lunge position. We are going to bring left leg to the back, right leg in front, and right hand inside. Awesome. Hold that position here. Feel your hips really stretching, opening up. Really nice. Avoid any pain. Make sure that you are comfortable. That's why I'm giving you two options, right? Drop knee down to the floor. Right hand up to the air. Twist, look up to the sky. Hips sinking down to the ground. Lower hand down and stretch front knee. You can flex your toes facing up and lower chest to your knee. Nice. One more time, breathe in. And try to lower even farther down your chest on the breathe out. Recover up, bend your front knee, and we repeat again. Lunge position, Tuck your toes, lift your knee, and always feel your hips. Tucking down to the floor. Drop knee down, point your toes, open your right hand up, and slightly twist your back. Lower down, stretch your front leg, flex toes, and breathe in. And lower while breathing out. Nice. Come on. You can do it. Breathe in one more time. Lift chest up. And with the breath out, try to go closer to your leg. Recover up. Bend your front knee. Toes, lift knee. Plank position. We are going to lower down, resting in our tummies. Slowly we are going to lift up, stretch your arms. Just feel that stretch of your back. You can just lower shoulders down and press back. And lower down, repeat one more time. You can have your legs either together, you can leave them open, separated apart, and press palms down to the ground. Open chest, shoulders down and back, and long neck. Last time. Stretch arms and relax there. Now we're going to bring hips back. Child pose. I think it is. And let your back stretch. Now we are going to move torso towards the left side. Keep stretching your back. Awesome. You should feel the stretch on your right side if you are towards your left leg. Change side. And if you are towards your right side, you should feel it on your left side, obviously. Nice. Okay, sit over your knees. And we are going to do butterfly position. Typical one, which is really nice to feel that hips opening and begin doing a little bit of flexibility. So rather than doing these bouncings, we are just going to press down, open chest, and hold it. If you want to increase stretch, you can lower slowly chest down. Oh, that's really nice. Relax your neck. Don't worry about any technicality. Just relax your neck. Recover up. We are going to stand legs in front of us, not in a middle split, just stretch in front of us. Just hold it there. And now we are going to move slightly forward. Rest over your forearms, just there. You can play here with your hips, rolling forward and back. And if you want to go all the way down, chest to the floor, do so. You can hold this position for longer. For the moment I'm going up. Join your legs together and down, resting on your back. You're going to bring right leg up, stretch, hold behind your shin, around your calves. Just press towards your chest. Relax. And one more time, breathe in. And hold, 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 hold. Release. One last time. This time try to get closer to your chest. hold it, you can do it, hold it, and release. Bend your knee, press your knee towards your chest, and now bring your knee to the opposite side. So right knee goes to the left side, and your head is gonna look towards the right side. Relax, remember to breathe in and out. Recover to center. Press your right knee towards your chest. Release down, and we're going to repeat everything with the left leg. Left leg up. Stretch, hold behind your calves. Breathe in. And bring your leg closer to your chest. Hold it. And release. One more time. Hold that position. Bring it against your chest. You can do it. You can either flex your toes or point your toes. Relax. By flexing your toes, you increase the stretch on your calves. Breathe in and out one last time. This time, try to bring your leg as closer as possible to your head. Hold it, hold it. Nice, relax. Bend your knee, press knee against your chest. Left knee go to the right side. And we're going to look towards the left hand. Bring your left knee towards your chest. Recover up. And that's it. Thank you very much for joining me. If you like this video, leave me a like. Remember to subscribe and click the notification button so next time I upload a new video, you get the direct notification.